Emma Haynes here, the Customer Success Manager at Providence CRM. A short video today to show you how to use doc merge within Sugar. So doc merge is a cool feature and I love it. And where it allows you to be able to pull fields from Sugar into a document immediately. So it kind of saves time having to populate documents. Rather than using PDF Manager for quote templates, we can use doc merge, so you don't need that HTML kind of knowledge. It's just literally being able to build a template in Word and pull the field names. When I say build a template in Word, this is what I am referring to. So some of you might recognize that this is our quotes template. So I thought I would do a Blue Peter moment and show you what I already have, but take away some information and we'll populate that together. So here is the fields that exist within the quotes module. So this is the quantity of the products that we offer, the name of the product and its description, the pricing, etc. And all this is the name of either the product relationship, the name of the field, so it's all database labels. Here is the billing address, etc. I have removed the billing contact name and the billing account name and a couple of others so we could go through the doc merge template together when building this. So if I just move that over there, when I come back to my Sugar instance, you'll see that I have my screen here. On the bottom left hand side, we have doc merge. If we click on doc merge, I have a template assistant. On the template assistant, I am able to see here all of the modules that I can pull doc merge from. So for this example, we are looking at the quotes module. When I go into the quotes module, it then shows me all of the fields that I'm able to pull out of the quotes module. So as I just mentioned, I removed the billing contact name. So if I search for the billing contact, here is the billing contact name. All I need to do is click on it and you'll see that it copies to my clipboard. And then if I go back to my Word document, I am then just going to paste billing contact name. I then want my billing account name. All I do is copy to my clipboard and then hit paste. So again, let's go back and I would like to pull the currency from my quote in Sugar and I would like to pull it to this area over here. And then we've got quote stage as well. So let's pull quote stage. Copy, paste. So once you've pulled the information that you'd like to capture on your order form or your quote or your NDA or support contract or whatever document it is that you think, oh, I could use doc merge for that. Once you've finished with the template, obviously remember to save it. So I've just hit save. I'm now back in my Sugar instance. I then need to go to document templates, the module itself, and upload my template. You'll see I've done a bit of testing beforehand, but I'm going to create a new one. So let's just delete this. There we go. So it's quite easy to delete document templates as well, as I've just shown. So let's create a new one and we will call this quotes test template. I'm going to browse my computer. I'm going to select the module that this form needs to sit on. So it's the quotes. And then I hit save. Cool. So let's go and see it in action. So I generally go to my quotes via the opportunity. So here we can see all of these revenue line items. When we have created a quote from the revenue line items by clicking the check boxes and hitting generate quote, it would then appear as so. So I have my contact name pulled through, draft. The quote is exactly how I need it to be before I'm going to send it to a customer. Yeah. All I then need to do is go to my drop down arrow and hit doc merge to PDF. This is the template that I'm able to choose from. And you'll see that it started to download in the bottom left hand corner. When you doc merge templates in the system, they'll always store in the doc merge template area until you clear them out by clicking the X. So I just do that every other day to clear it all down. Now I'm going to show you my document template. So you can see from my Word form here what it actually now looks like when we pull it into PDF from Sugar. So it's pulling through the name, the address, the products, the quote number, the amounts, an area for you to put in payment terms if you wish to. So by a click of a button, it's pulling all of the key information, and then I can just send that out to my customer either via email, or if you're using the DocuSign integration with Sugar, you can send it out via DocuSign too. I hope you found that interesting and helpful. Any questions, do give me a call or drop me an email. Thanks ever so much. Bye bye.